Good day everyone, my name is Framalin Melo Villanueva from BSE 1E, and today I'm going to discuss our next topic in physics for engineers, which is highway curves, banked and unbanked curves. So, I have an example. Sabi dito, a vehicle is traveling at 20 miles per hour on an unbanked road where the coefficient of static friction between tires and roads is 0.8. Find the minimum turning radius of the car. So, sabi doon sa scenario, yung vehicle daw is nandun siya sa unbanked road. So, yun yung unbanked road, at ito yung vehicle. And sabi doon, yung static friction niya is 0.8, meaning merong present na force friction between tires and road. So, in this part, yung force friction, yung vehicle, makikita natin dito or dito naglalays yung force friction. And in this part naman, sa ilalim, yung weight niya. Habang dito naman, yung normal force is mararamdaman. So, makikita natin dito sa scenario na yung free body diagram niya is perpendicular to the surface since andito yung or dito naman sa part na yung present yung centripetal force. So, to solve for the minimum turning radius of the car, ang gagamitin lang natin dito is yung equation ni centripetal acceleration force, which is yung centripetal force nga natin kasi is equal siya sa mass times velocity squared over radius. And then, meron din present na force friction where centripetal force is equals to force friction. So, i-elaborate lang natin, magiging ganito na ngayon siya. Mass times velocity squared over r is equals to force friction, where yung force friction natin dito is also equal to normal force, and yung normal force natin is equivalent din siya sa weight or equals sa mass times gravity. Yan ang gagamitin na lang natin dyan is yung mass times gravity, and since force friction nga yung given, isulat lang natin na coefficient of static friction times mass times gravity. So, to solve for the maximum turning radius, i-cross multiply lang natin ito para matira or maiwan si radius. So, radius is equals now to mass times velocity squared over coefficient of static friction times mass times gravity. So, ito ngayon, yung makikita natin dito ngayon, ito na yung equation natin, pero pwede pa tong i-cancel yung mass na to saka yung mass dito. So, ang matutira na lang is radius is equals to velocity squared over coefficient of static friction times mass times gravity. So, ito na ngayon yung gagamitin natin para makuha natin yung minimum turning radius of the car. And since ang given dito is 20 miles per hour, i-convert muna natin yung 20 miles per hour into feet per seconds. And para may convert natin yun, 20 miles per hour, i-times lang natin ito sa 1.467, and makukuha na natin ngayon yung 29.4 feet per second. So, i-convert na natin para makuha natin yung radius. So, radius now equals to yung velocity nga natin na i-convert natin into feet per second, which is 29.4 feet per seconds over yung coefficient of static friction natin na 0.8, times gravity natin, which is 32 feet per seconds. Yung gravity natin, ito yung constant value ng gravity, which is 32 feet per seconds in feet per seconds. Ito yung constant value ng gravity kapag feet per seconds yung unit. So, radius now is equals to, ang magiging radius natin now is 29.4 feet per seconds over 0.8 times 32 feet per seconds is equals to 34 feet. So, ito ngayon yung minimum turning radius of the car, which is 34 feet, traveling at 20 miles per hour on an unbanked road. So, ito ngayon yung example natin.